Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Kelvin back here again. We received this HP 840G1 that came in for a problem that most of you have been asking me. You can see this laptop, when you unplug it from power, it shuts off immediately. Well, for this one, the battery was bad, but sometimes you find that the charging system has an issue with providing power from the battery. But for this one, the problem was the battery, and it came in for the replacement and also an adapter replacement. The adapter 2 was faulty, so we got a new battery that goes for 4500 to 5000. Well, it mostly depends with the model of the laptop, and the battery was original one, and the 840G1 just makes it easier to replace such stuff, because that's all we had to do. Just remove the battery and that's it. Just playing with just like 2 or 3, there are no screws involved, just some clips, and the laptop now can power on its own without even having to plug in the charger. And that's just it. The laptop works fine. The charger is here. Got another adapter. Well, they range from 1500. Also depends with the model. We do have replacement adapters and original adapters. We have type C adapters, MacBook adapters too. And as you can see, if you unplug, it's not powering off. I will see you in the next one.